guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the girl Evanity Star coming back to you with another video. And today, all I have is just a bottle of water. Just a bottle of water. No eating today, guys. But today, I am coming to you. I am coming to you to let you know that I really appreciate you guys. I really love you. I really adore you. And you are my new family. And guys, I want to thank you for all the help that you have given me on my channel, on my live, all the participation, all the love, all the new people that is coming on. And I tell you, I'm building this platform, guys, for you to grow and for me to grow. And guys, it's a pleasure working with you on a daily. And even though it's tiring and I'm overdriven because I have been doing a whole lot of videos and trying to do uploads and trying to help out others, and for those who want to listen. I only work with people who listen. I can't work with, if you're not a listening person, I can't work with you. So, you know, everybody have their personality and you still have to respect that. But guys, it's a pleasure, it's a pleasure, it's a pleasure, it's a pleasure. And I am seeing where my subscribers are growing, and I want to give thanks to Valentina, Sarita Relaxing Music. He's always promoting my videos when I do a upload. I want to give a special thanks to that girl, Kid Jonah. She's always fighting. She's always fighting to be first. And she is just working. I want to give a thanks to Carla's Kitchen CC. She is coming with a force, and when she writes on my video, oh my God, she's just laying it out. She's just laying it out. Thanks to Spearfishing with O'Dane for giving me the love and support also. I just want to thank you. Thanks to LB Creative Design. You're awesome. You're wonderful. You give me that joy and your simplicity. Thanks for the Maya girls for always being there, even though I like to watch your videos and see how loving you are with your family. And guys, if I missed out so much of you guys because I don't remember, I want to give thanks to just everybody. That girl Lily, I mean, you guys are coming. All the gamers, all the young ones, all the in between age, and all the more mature audience. I am here for you. I am here to help you grow. And guys, today, Sunday, every Sunday is going to always be a day. I want you to go ahead and I want you to round up all those people, round up all the 50 people. Let them come in, tell them to watch my videos, tell them to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that they can be notified. Let them participate and let them bring in more people. And in this way, guys, we can grow together as a family. So if they come in for me, they will come in for you. Remember that. Everybody that brings in people, that extra people that will be coming in, everybody will be benefiting. And if they participate, have them participate. And if they have a channel and a growing channel, this is the place to grow. This is the place to start your livelihood, guys. And I'm so elated. I'm so excited to have you as my partner for this YouTube here. And I'm growing. I want to thank you. And I know you guys are growing. And if ever I see you guys out there struggling and helping me, and I see you guys struggling, I'll go ahead and give you that promotion also. It's all good. It's all good in the house. It's all good. And you know, 7:30 Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays, you start bringing in your people, and Saturday you start bringing in. Sunday is the final close off for Monday, and it start back again on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to be giving giveaways, and I appreciate you guys. I love you. It is, despite me being tired and being overworked, I look forward for this. I look forward to this, for being with you guys. And you know, if I don't mention some of your names, because I don't remember it off my head, but thanks goes to everyone. You have Teacher, you know who I'm talking about, Teacher. Okay, Teacher P, okay, Teacher P in the house, and all. I'm telling you, I am so loved. I am so loved, and I want to share about the love with you guys. I want to make sure that I take your hands, and I tell you again, and I'm going to keep on repeating this. It doesn't matter how far I reach on this platform, I will always be there for you. And if I cannot do it, I'll get somebody who can do it for you. Okay, remember that. And if you stay tuned, be consistent, be diligent, come in the house, work with each other, do what you're supposed to do, and you just respond by just going over to the house and, you know, and watch everybody's video and try to help out each other, you will see how fast your channel will grow. And I also want you guys to have a platform like me. I want you guys, and I will guide you, even if I have to pay for the platform for you guys. You get what I'm saying? Because you guys need to start. Once you get monetized and it's out there, and we're going to grow on this platform, I'm going to help you, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to teach you, and you guys have my number. We can communicate, and it's all about growth and development. It's all about listening. It's all about accepting, and it's all about working towards your goal. And guys, it's all going to be success. It's all going to be very good for you guys. So if you come, it doesn't matter where you're from. If you're from the Philippines, if you're from Jamaica, if you're from Russia, if you're from England, if you're from Canada, once you're a new YouTuber and you come and you participate on Evanity Star TV, the platform on the live, I do live every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at 9 p.m. and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 7:30 p.m. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is when I start to have you bringing in your people bringing them in and introducing themselves to the live, bringing them in so you can go ahead and win that giveaway. And guys, you're gonna be so excited when I announce on Monday. Every Monday I'll be announcing the winner, because guys, I have to see those subscribers turn up on my subscriber list. I have to see where they're watching my videos. I have to see where they comment. And guys, it's gonna be all good. It's all gonna be all good. And like I said, if I see you guys really working really hard, and even if you don't reach that amount, and I see you diligently putting out videos and constantly working, and I see you want to really achieve that goal, I'll go ahead and help you promote your channel, guys. And I'm telling you, it's all good up in the house. It's all good. It's all about the love. And guys, trust me, you will not regret being on this platform. You will not regret, because I will always be there for you. I'll always there to help you grow your channel. And you guys, you see, you have access to me. You can call me and I can teach you, show you how to develop your channel. But right now, you need to just work towards getting where you can get monetized. And when you start and you feel that heat coming on, you know, you have to start working for your revenue now. You're going to put yourself out there. You're going to be more than just a person searching for subscribers. You're going to be a person, an influencer. You're going to be teaching. You're going to be educating. You're going to be making people laugh. It's all about the fun, because this is what YouTube wants. YouTube wants to know that you have people coming back to your videos and really enjoying your videos, guys. So make sure you plan on making good videos. You plan on making people enjoying your videos. Think about creative ideas. Let us think about it together. You get what I'm saying? Things that you can do. You can educate. You can... Jamaica is such a beautiful place. You can go so many places and show foreigners Jamaica. You can make it so creative. You know, when you're in school and you have to do a project and you have to present the project, that is, oh, you have to do a YouTube video. You can't just get up and just do any random stuff. You have to plan and create. That's where you have a promoter, you have a producer, you have an actor. You have to make your little things together, put things together and plan behind your stuff, and you will definitely reach to the point that you want to reach. Trust me. Trust me. And it's all about having that teamwork, make the dream work. So we together as a team coming together on this platform, I'm going to make you proud. I'm definitely going to make you proud. And you're going to be happy that you know Evanity Star TV. You're going to be happy to know that Evanity Star TV is a part of your life. And when Evanity Star TV reached to certain heights, you have to say, oh my God, I know Evanity Star! And I can get promoted and my channel can move up and things can flow for me. So guys, we have to be there for each other. Because one, like my grandmother used to say, one hand cannot clap. Can you just imagine you have one hand? What are you going to do with that? So when two hands come together and clap, it builds the strength. So guys, I want to thank you for being there for me. Thank you for the love and support. I will always be there for you. And anything that you want to be done on your channel. And I've worked for quite a few people. I've done a whole lot for quite a few people. And it's all good. So anything that you want direction, you can contact Kijona. Kijona is my second hand. she's on the ball. She's on the ball. I love that girl so much. So Kijona, I'm gonna make you happy. I'm gonna make you happy coming up this week, okay? Because I see you promoting my channel, you're creating videos, you're just looking out for me, and I love that. I love your veracity. I love your stamina. I love the juice that you're putting in and your dedication, and knowing that you're so young. And a lot of people say, oh, I don't want to work with any young people. Oh my God, the young people is the one that is really pushing my channel. I love you guys so much. I'm willing to work with you. And I'm telling you, Carla's Kitchen CC, I love you. I love you. I love you. I just met you and I just love your vibes. Teacher P, I love you. I love your vibes. You know, and anybody who I can't remember, I can't remember some of your names, but everybody who participate on my platform, guys. Anybody who put out the show the love, I can't remember. Next time I will mention your name, and I'm sorry if I can't remember. I just want to mention it out of my head. You get what I'm saying? So guys, just remember, I'm always there. You can reach me. I'm reachable. I'll be there on the platform. Oh my God. And I'm telling you, one day, we're going to be hooked up. We're going to be having a ball. We're going to be having a nice time. The YouTuber family. And you're going to be proud that you joined this family. So guys, remember this. I love you. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the dedication. Thanks for when I start my live, you're there. It gives me great pleasure to work with you. It warms my heart. And I want to do so much for you right now, guys, but I don't want to just start doing it and you guys just get too overwhelmed. I'm going to show you. I have to see the genuine dedication, and I can show you exactly what I can do for you. So guys, see you this evening at 7:30. See you this evening at 7:30, and take care. Take the best care of yourself, and remember to always do good. Give love to everyone that you come across. But guys, if you try to give love to some people and they don't want to, just leave them alone. All right? So remember, like my grandmother used to say, if you can't be good, be careful. Walk with guys.